Hi, my name is Chloe West. I'm a freshman at Kentucky Christian University, and I'm going to show you how to process. I'm going to start with book jackets. They're just a protective seal to protect the little jackets that go around hardback books. First, you're going to pick your size. There's 9, 10, 12, and 14. Going to roll it out. Lay it out and measure it. I always like to cut a little bit extra. That way, if it ends up being too short, you can just cut the rest of it off. Lay it out, put it on one end, and then you're going to lift up this first flap, and you're going to try and make the top of the book jacket go as close as you can, and then flip it over. You can mess with it and pull it around once you get it in there. It can be stubborn sometimes. Once you do that, you can go ahead and lift both flaps, the book and the flap up, and do the other flap. Once again, pull as close as you can to the top. Go ahead and flip it over and see if it's where you want it. You don't want any of the white showing. So there's still some white showing down here, so I'm going to mess around with it. And grab some tape. Just tape it on all three parts. You're going to want to do one on the end, one on both ends, and one in the center. Then you can flip it over, see what's wrong with it, and then just cut the rest of the white that's off. That's why we cut extra. That way you can just cut it right off and not have to worry about it. Make sure when you're processing that you clean as you go. That way, because it can get really messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's going to be on the inside of the book. So you're going to grab your book and make sure you're on the front, because I can't tell you how many times I've done it the wrong way. Open your book up. Fold it in. Try to see if it's gonna, you don't want it too tight, you don't want it to be super crinkled on the front, so just measure it the best you can. And then you're gonna grab tattle tape and pull it down. You can close your book. This is just the easiest way, I think, to do it, but you can stick the tape. You don't actually want this tape touching the book. So you want it touching the book jacket. Come down and then around and let it touch the other side of the book jacket. You're going to do that on the top and the bottom. And on both the front and the back of the book. Never pull any extra off the book jacket tape, the tattle tape. It gives you exactly what you need. It can mess the dispenser up if we pull too many times. marketed book.